Hello everyone, this video is for them who cannot understand my Hindi language. So I am showing you in shorts video how can you change caption. Firstly, you should touch this three dot. When you will touch this three dot, then this option will come. Touch this caption option and you can see there are so many languages. This is auto translate. In auto translate there are so many languages. If you want touch Hindi, then which I am telling, this will come in Hindi medium. When I will start, then see. This is Hindi caption. If you want another caption like English any, then you should touch this caption. And if you want English, then touch English and wait some second and this will come in English caption. Now start. Which I am telling, this is coming in English. Like this you can change any language. Click this three dot in shorts and you will go in this caption and auto translate Japanese, Korean, any language, Thai. If you want another any language, then comment me. I will add also that language. And this icon is related video. When you will click this, then you can go on my another video. When you will click this, then this full video will come. This is linked video. And in long video, this is setting icon. When you will touch this, another you can change language. This is caption and this is auto translate. If you want only English, then you should touch English, which I am telling, this will come in English. See this, which I am telling is this is coming in English. Likewise, if you want another language, you should touch this. This is setting icon in long video. When you will touch this will caption. Touch this caption and auto translate. If you want another language, you can choose any language. These all are available in all my videos. You can choose any language. If you want choose Arabic, then this will come in Arabic. Wait some second and then start. Which I am telling in Hindi, these will come in Arabic language. Any language you want, you can change according to your choice. Which I am telling in Hindi, this is coming in Arabic. Likewise, you can change any language.